Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the electromagnetic effect. The electromagnetic effect, which is also known as E effect. And the electromagnetic effect or the E effect, it is a phenomena which is temporary. It means it involves the complete transfer of electron pair to one or the other atom joined by multiple bonds. But this effect is a temporary effect. So this is a temporary effect. Temporary effect involving complete transfer. Complete transfer of electron pairs to one or the other atom joined by multiple bonds. Joined by multiple bond, and usually this electromagnetic effect will occur when there is an attack of an electrophile or a nucleophile. So it will be during attack of an electrophile or a nucleophile. For example, suppose if we have A and B compound which is bonded with a double bond. It means now A and B, they both have a difference in electronegativity. So B will try to pull the electron towards itself. It means this bonded pair, the double bond will break and there will be a formation of a positive and a negative ion. Always the direction of the electromagnetic shift is one that facilitates the reaction. It means it can be in the presence of a nucleophile or an electrophile. But the important thing over here is that this affects neither seen in reactants nor in the product. It is only the intermediate steps of any reaction. So the direction of electromagnetic effect it will shift is one that facilitate the reaction. Okay, and as I have told you that this effect is neither seen in the reaction. So electromagnetic effect is the intermediate step. Is the intermediate steps of the reaction. Now for example, if I take an example when an electrophile is attacking on vinyl chloride. Attack of electrophile. Electrophile on vinyl chloride. So when we see vinyl chloride, so it is CH2 double bond CH single bond chlorine. Chlorine has 3 lone pairs of electron. Now again there are two possibilities. Either when reaction happened in the presence of electrophile, it means it can be proton. So there is a possibility that a lone pair of electron it shift towards the first carbon atom and the double bond will break, and this H positive will attach to the CH2, single bond CH positive, single bond chlorine. We can also see the resonance of the structure, that the lone pair shifted here. So CH2 H CH double bond Cl with 2 lone pairs of electron and a positive charge, or either it can go in the another way, in the presence of an electrophile where the hydrogen can attach to the first carbon atom. This is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom. So CH2 positive, single bond CH H chlorine. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now how this reaction occurs? It means first there will be a formation of an intermediate step where the H positive ion will attack to it, then we will get a final product. Right. So in this reaction, as we have seen, that there can be two products, either product 1 or either product 2. But the intermediate product first will be favored, and that is due to the stability by forming the resonating structures. So in that case, intermediate 1 is favored, stability. Now these intermediate steps or intermediate effect, they are of two types. They are categorized into two ways: plus E effect and minus E effect. So electromagnetic effect is classified into two categories. One is plus E effect and minus E effect. Right. Now how we are going to decide that what is a plus I effect and what is a minus I effect? So when we talk about plus I effect, it is always when the attack occur at that atom where the electrons move. If the attack occur at the atom where the electrons move. So then that effect will be known as plus I effect. The effect is known as plus E effect. For example, if we have any compound, single bond C, double bond C. Now when the electrophile is attacking to it, so suppose this double bond is breaking and the lone pair of electron or the bond pair, it is shifted to this carbon atom, then the coming electrophile will attach to it, taking positive charge, and this carbon, it will attach with an electrophile. This type of effect is known as plus E effect. On the other hand, if the attack occur at the atom other than the atom where electrons have moved, or you can say the atom from where the electrons are moving, if attack occur at the atoms other than the atoms where electrons have moved, then that effect is known as minus E effect. The effect is called minus E effect. Right? So for example, if we have carbon double bond carbon and nucleophile attacks to it, then it gives carbon carbon CN single bond carbon with a negative charge. This is known as minus E effect. So here the key point is, like whenever electrophile is attacking to a compound or the doubly bonded carbon atom, then the electrophile will always attach to the carbon atom where the electrons have moved in case of electrophile. Whereas in case of a nucleophile, the attacking nucleophile will attach to the carbon atom from where the electrons have moved. So we'll go through one small question or an exercise by which the electromagnetic effect will be more clear. For example, when vinyl cyanide CH double bond CH triple bond N positive, double bond C triple bond N with a lone pair of electron. This is vinyl cyanide. Now, to the vinyl cyanide, when nucleophile is attacked, then there will be a transfer of the electrons. So this will shift here and triple bond will shift here. And chlorine will attach to the third carbon atom. H, C, H, chlorine, C, H, double bond carbon, double bond nitrogen with two lone pairs of electron and negative charge, and this is which effect? It is a minus E effect. So here there are many groups which causes minus E effect. Groups causing minus E effect are nitro group, NO group, CHO group, COOH group, etc. So this is all about electromagnetic effect, and this is again very important topic to determine the stability, or you can say how the nucleophile and electrophile attaches to the compound. So whenever it is a nucleophile, it is plus I effect. Whenever it is nucleophile, it is minus I effect. Whenever it is electrophile, it is plus I effect. Thank you.